Number 22. Which sequence of changes takes place when we breathe in? So when we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts. So there's a lung and there's a diaphragm. The diaphragm contracts, which causes it to move downwards. So it goes like this. And also the rib cages moves up and outwards, upwards and outwards. So the rib cage actually goes up, so the whole volume of the thorax gets increased. Increase in the space, if the space gets bigger, the pressure becomes decreased. So diaphragm contracts, volume of thorax increases, pressure in lungs decreases. A is the correct answer for this question.